That is simply the best. You have to try this. Today we're going to show you how to make our favorite summer snack. All we need, now I have here 2 Pomodoro tomatoes. You could use 1 large tomato, depends what you have. We're going to chop them finely. You don't want to have them in too big pieces. They have to be pretty small. Then we add some fresh basil. I like to take the leaves like this, layer them up and roll them like this, you see? And then, wow, that's aromatic. Just like that. And a simple chop. Pinch of sea salt. 1 lime. We mix that in, and then we're just going to let it sit here for 10 minutes maybe to let the essential oils from the basil get into the lime juice. Have a couple of slices of homemade ciabatta. Give it a little bit of drizzle on the top. There we go. When they get crispy golden like this, then they should be good to go. 30 more seconds on the other side and we're ready.
These tomatoes are really red.
Yeah, they are really
good.
They are super ripe. And you want to get some of the lime juice there to soak a little bit the bread. It tastes heavenly. A little bit of burrata to one of them, because I like that.
I like it plain.
You can serve it either way, obviously. But you see, and then on top of that, just a little bit more basil. And there you have it, one beautiful, simple summer snack.